The Amazon is the largest rainforest on Earth, home to millions of species. While many are harmless, some are among the deadliest animals ever discovered. Today, we're counting down the 10 most dangerous animals you could encounter if you get lost in the Amazon rainforest. Stay until number 1, because it's responsible for more human deaths than almost any other creature in the jungle. Let's begin. Number 10. Electric eel. Don't let its name fool you. The electric eel isn't actually an eel. It's a type of knife fish, and one of the Amazon rainforest's most shocking predators. Growing to more than 8 feet long, this incredible animal can generate an electric shock of up to 860 volts, powerful enough to knock a grown adult unconscious. Imagine you're lost in the Amazon, exhausted and trying to cross a flooded river. With one wrong step, you accidentally disturb an electric eel hidden beneath the muddy water. In an instant, it unleashes a series of powerful electric shocks. Your muscles lock up, your body loses control, and if you're in deep water, you could drown before you even realize what's happening. Although attacks on humans are rare, the danger is very real. In the Amazon, even the water can hide a deadly surprise. Number 9. Bullet ant. It looks harmless until it bites. The bullet ant is one of the most feared insects in the Amazon rainforest because it delivers what many scientists consider the most painful insect sting on Earth. Victims say the pain feels exactly like being shot by a bullet, which is how this terrifying insect got its name. But the pain doesn't disappear after a few minutes. It can last for up to 24 hours, causing intense burning, uncontrollable shaking, muscle spasms, and even temporary paralysis. Now imagine you're already lost in the Amazon, tired, hungry, and struggling to survive. One sting from this tiny insect could leave you in unbearable pain, making it even harder to find food, climb, or escape danger. In the Amazon rainforest, it's not always the biggest predators you should fear. Sometimes the smallest creatures are the most terrifying. Number 8. Green anaconda. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world, and one of the Amazon rainforest's most powerful predators. Some massive individuals are reported to grow over 30 feet long and weigh more than 500 pounds. Unlike venomous snakes, the green anaconda doesn't rely on poison. Instead, it attacks by wrapping its enormous body around its prey with incredible strength. With every squeeze, it becomes harder to breathe. Each breath could be the victim's last as the snake tightens its grip until the prey can no longer survive. Although attacks on humans are extremely rare, people swimming in rivers or walking through swamps could accidentally come face to face with one. Its dark green, camouflage-covered body blends perfectly into muddy water and thick vegetation, making it almost impossible to spot. In the Amazon, by the time you finally see a green anaconda, it may already be too late. Number 7. Black cayman. Imagine spotting what looks like a floating log drifting across a quiet Amazon river. Then suddenly it opens its mouth. The black cayman is the largest predator in the Amazon's waterways. Some adults grow over 16 feet long, making them one of the most feared reptiles in the rainforest. Armed with one of the strongest bite forces of any reptile, a black cayman can crush bones with incredible power. Its diet includes fish, birds, monkeys, capybaras, deer, and on rare occasions, humans who get too close to the water's edge. If you're lost in the Amazon, thirsty, and desperate for a drink, the river may seem like your safest option. But without carefully checking your surroundings, you could unknowingly step within striking distance of this silent hunter. In the Amazon, what looks like a harmless log could actually be one of the deadliest predators, waiting beneath the surface. Number 6. Jaguar. The jaguar is the undisputed king of the Amazon rainforest, a powerful predator that rules the jungle. With strength, stealth, and deadly precision, unlike most big cats, jaguars are excellent swimmers and actually love the water. They can silently cross rivers and stalk their prey from almost anywhere. What makes them even more terrifying is their incredible bite force, one of the strongest relative to body size of any feline. Instead of going for the throat like lions or tigers, jaguars often crush the skull of their prey with a single devastating bite. Although jaguars usually avoid people, a hungry, injured, or cornered animal can become extremely dangerous. If you're lost in the Amazon and suddenly hear branches snapping behind you, don't assume you're alone. The jaguar may have been silently watching your every move long before you noticed it. Number 5. Brazilian wandering spider. This nightmare doesn't spin giant webs to catch its prey. Instead, it wanders the Amazon rainforest floor at night, silently hunting anything it can overpower. The Brazilian wandering spider is widely considered one of the most venomous spiders in the world. Its powerful venom attacks the nervous system, causing excruciating pain, muscle cramps, difficulty breathing, and, in severe untreated cases, it can become life-threatening. What makes this spider even more terrifying is its hiding places. It can disappear beneath piles of leaves, inside hollow logs, and even inside boots or camping gear left on the ground. Many people don't realize it's there until they accidentally touch it. If you're lost in the Amazon, one careless reach could bring you face to face with this deadly predator. That's why experienced explorers always check their boots, backpacks, and equipment before using them. In the Amazon, danger isn't always hiding above you. Sometimes it's waiting right at your feet. Number 4, fer-de-lance snake. One careless step, that's all it takes. The fer-de-lance is one of the most feared, venomous snakes in South America and is responsible for thousands of snakebite incidents across the region. Its brown, patterned body blends almost perfectly with the dead leaves covering the Amazon forest floor, making it incredibly difficult to spot. If you accidentally step too close, it can strike with lightning-fast speed before you even realize it's there. Its powerful venom destroys body tissue, causes severe internal bleeding, and, without prompt medical treatment, can lead to organ failure and become life-threatening. Now imagine being lost deep in the Amazon rainforest. The nearest hospital could be hours or even days away, turning a single snake bite into a desperate fight for survival. In the Amazon, sometimes the deadliest danger is hiding right beneath your feet. Number 3, poison dart frog. It's colorful, it's tiny, and it's unbelievably toxic. The poison dart frog may be only a few inches long, but some species produce toxins powerful enough to kill several adult humans. Their bright blue, yellow, or orange colors aren't meant to attract attention. They're a warning to predators. Stay away. Unlike snakes or spiders, poison dart frogs don't chase or attack people. The real danger comes from touching them. If the toxins on their skin come into contact with your eyes, nose, mouth, or an open wound, they can cause serious poisoning. Now imagine you're lost in the Amazon rainforest. You spot a small, beautiful frog resting on a leaf and instinctively pick it up. That one mistake could put your life at risk. In the Amazon, the most beautiful creatures can also be among the deadliest. Number 2, piranha. Hollywood may have exaggerated their reputation, but piranhas are still predators you should never underestimate. These razor-toothed fish live in many of the Amazon's rivers and lakes. Most of the time, they avoid humans. But when food is scarce or water levels drop, schools of hungry piranhas can become far more aggressive. Their sharp, powerful teeth are designed to tear through flesh with incredible speed. An injured animal surrounded by a feeding frenzy can lose large amounts of flesh within minutes. Now imagine you're lost in the Amazon, exhausted and trying to cross a river. If you have an open wound or you're bleeding, you could attract unwanted attention beneath the surface. While attacks on humans are uncommon, the risk increases under the wrong conditions. In the Amazon rainforest, crossing a river is never as safe as it seems, because you never know what's swimming below. Number 1, mosquito. Surprised? The deadliest creature in the Amazon rainforest isn't a giant snake or a powerful jaguar. It's the mosquito. These tiny insects are responsible for spreading deadly diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever. Unlike the Amazon's larger predators, mosquitoes are everywhere. You can't outrun them, and you may not even notice the bite until it's too late. One infected mosquito bite can lead to high fever, severe weakness, intense body pain, and life-threatening illness days later. If you're lost deep in the Amazon without access to medical care, a single bite could become far more dangerous than any attack from a wild animal. In a place where survival depends on every decision, the smallest creature can become your greatest enemy. That's why the mosquito earns the number 1 spot as the deadliest animal you could encounter in the Amazon rainforest. Which of these terrifying Amazon animals scared you the most? Was it the crushing power of the green anaconda, the deadly venom of the fer-de-lance, or the disease-carrying mosquito? Let us know your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next countdown. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you ever find yourself lost in the Amazon rainforest, nature doesn't forgive mistakes.